bridges in downtown Sioux City are closing later this month for repair. The city has now outlined the detour for traffic in that area over the next 3 months. The Floyd Boulevard overpass, which takes traffic up and over 3rd Street and the railroad tracks, and the 4th Street overpass taking traffic into the Hooven Valley, both will close Monday, May 19th, weather permitting. That will allow contractors to install a new bridge deck on both bridges. The work should take about 100 calendar days, with work stretching into late September. Until then, traffic will take this detour that you see outlined in blue. It includes Dace Avenue, Business Highway 75, and 6th Street. Once the bridge deck replacements are done, they'll reopen to traffic while the contractor continues with substructure repairs on both of the bridges. The total cost of the project is $2.2 million.